Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to make it one poster. Now we are going to start. I am going to draw directly with a brush. Take it cobalt blue color for showing the sky on the top. Make it straight line. Remove your color. Mix up till downside. Here I shown a sky. Now I'm going to make it few grass levels at the downside. Again using water. To make it grass portion at the downside. Here I am going to take a light brown color for showing the houses, few houses on a land. One village house. Again one more house next to opposite line of the page. Now I am going to make one girl. You can take it light brown color for showing the face structure. Use your detailing brush. This is a face, this is a throat portion. Now I'm going to make it a frock which girl is wearing with a red color. Fill inside slowly. Color may cannot get outside. Again light brown color for showing the leg. Downside in the ground. Hands rising downside. Few detailing in the frock. Few detailing in the frock side. Now one again cobalt blue color for showing the glass. One curve line. One slanting line. Again one curve line. Again one curve line for showing the glass. I am showing this girl which is mostly working with a household purpose things. I am going to tell that this girl is not going to study it, but she is going on work. So it's a small kind of child labor. Even also this drawing also can work in child labor. Now I am going to make it some features of hairs. by showing the hair, black color. Here are some features of the girl. One girl showing in a glass. Farmhouse. Few eyes gestures. Few bushes and grasses with a dark green color on the house portion. Few grasses at the downside by giving a flat strokes. Put me in a class, not in a glass. Here my proverb is done, my catchy caption is done. Every poster needs a catchy captions. So I finished my catchy captions, and this poster is regarding a child labor, even also a girl childhood labor, even also see a girl child which is working very hard and no importance in life is shown.